DeepSearch turns Grok into a real research assistant. In this guide, you will learn how to activate it, watch it work, and read the cited reports it creates. One question, dozens of sources. Let's get started.
Normal chat answers instantly from memory. DeepSearch is different. It splits your question into smaller sub-questions. Then it searches the web and X in parallel, reads the best sources, and returns a report with numbered citations. It is Grok's research mode, built for questions that need proof.
DeepSearch runs on Grok's paid plans. It is included with SuperGrok at $30 a month, and with X Premium Plus at $40. The free tier and SuperGrok Lite do not include it. A modern browser, a Grok account, and a paid plan are all you need.
Open your browser and go to Grok.com. Sign in with your account and the chat interface loads. Look at the toolbar next to the message box. That is where the DeepSearch toggle lives.
Click the DeepSearch toggle. It lights up, and every question you send from now on gets researched. You can also type "Use DeepSearch" followed by your question. Either way works. Let's turn it on.
Now for a real question. Type "Use DeepSearch. What happened in AI news today?" Press Enter. Grok starts researching instead of answering from memory.
Watch the research panel. First, Grok plans the search, then it runs step by step with a progress bar. It searches the web, reads articles, and checks sources. A full report can take 1 to 5 minutes.
The answer arrives as a report. First, a direct answer, then a detailed survey. Every key claim has a numbered citation you can click, and a source list shows everything Grok used.
On SuperGrok, look for the deeper option. DeeperSearch runs more iterations, checks fewer sources more carefully, and takes longer. Use it when accuracy matters more than speed.
Great prompts make better research. Ask for a structured report with background, viewpoints, and a TLDR. Ask Grok to fact-check a claim. Or ask what is happening right now, and tell it to separate rumor from confirmed fact.
Always verify. Click the citations and open the sources. Grok is fast, but independent tests found weak citation accuracy in earlier models. Check important claims against the original source.
Two problems are common. If you hit the rate limit, wait for the 2-hour window to reset. If DeepSearch gets stuck, refresh the page, reopen the tab, and clear your browser cache.
That's the whole workflow. 1. Enable DeepSearch. 2. Ask a research question. 3. Read the report and verify the sources. DeepSearch is part of SuperGrok. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy researching!